Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy the Ronin coin on Coinbase. As you can see, we all are already logged into our account on coinbase.com, and after that you can click on the buy and sell option. Click on it and now the purchasing overview will be opened. As you can see, the one-time purchase frequency is selected. If you click on it, you can select a different purchasing frequency. They have different options like a daily one, a weekly, twice a month or a monthly. Choose the one which suits to you. After that you can fill in the amount of cash you would like to use for this purchase. Let's say 100 euros. And after that we can click on the asset to fill in Ronin. And there is the Ronin token. Select it. After that we can select our payment method. I use my MasterCard as you can see, but you can also select a different option by clicking on it. If you don't have any available options, first check out if your Coinbase account is verified. After that you can click on add a payment to add a new payment method. For the next step, click on review order, and if you click on that, then they will show us some information about this purchase. We are spending 100 euros on these coins. And the Coinbase fee, for me it's free because I use a Coinbase One subscription, and that will save you a lot of money on the Coinbase fee. After that we can select the invest weekly option. As you can see, you will spend 100 euros every week on this coin. You can cancel it at any time, and after that you can click on buy now to add those coins directly to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!